Have you heard of a collapsible bucket before? Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. If you're a car detailer, enthusiast, or just love cleaning your home, then you know how important it is to have the right tool for cleaning. And that's why today we're going to be talking about a game-changing product, the Euro Collapsible Bucket. Let's get started. Whether you're washing your car, freshening up your yard, or doing household cleaning, this bucket changes the game. Now, what makes this bucket special? Well, first up, let's talk about its collapsible design. It folds down to just a few inches so you can store it anywhere. Check this out. You just squeeze the sides and bam, it's collapsed. It's perfect for tight spaces or if you're on the go. And speaking of on the go, even though this collapses down to a small size, it is capable of holding 10 liters, which is about 2.6 gallons, which is plenty of water for washing your car, cleaning your windows, or even doing some heavy-duty scrubbing. Even with all this water, this bucket is extremely sturdy. No flimsy plastic, the material is durable, and it won't tip over. All right, now let's put this bucket to the test. First, we're gonna use it to wash my car, but you can pretty much use it for anything. One of the things that I love about this bucket is how easy it is to carry around. It is lightweight and its wide base allows for stability. So whether you're rinsing out your mitt or sponge, or just filling it up with soap and water, you're not worrying about it tipping over mid-wash. All right, time to take this bucket indoors and test it out with mopping. The bucket fits a small mop comfortably in it to tackle washing the mop mid-cleaning. It is the perfect size to take around while you're cleaning larger areas too. All right, now let's talk about build quality. This collapsible bucket is made of a high-grade TPR and a tough plastic frame. You'll notice it feels solid in your hand, and even after repeated use, it holds up without losing its shape. And storage, this can go just about anywhere, whether it's your car, your RV, or even your closet. When you're done cleaning, just fold it up and stash it away. No bulky plastics taking up space in your garage. You're not just getting a tool, you're getting more room for the things that you actually need. So whether you're detailing your car, washing your bike, doing general cleaning in the house, or need a quick makeshift ice bucket, the Euro Collapsible Bucket has got you covered. Durable, compact, and ready for anything, the Euro Collapsible Bucket is an absolute must-have. If you are interested in our buckets, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment what kind of videos you wanna see next. Follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.